welcome to a new era of sustainable travel and Scandinavian design. The 2026 Volvo Camper isn't just a vehicle, it's a mobile retreat that blends comfort, technology, and a deep respect for the planet. Volvo, a brand known for safety and innovation, has taken a bold step into the camper segment, and the result is something truly unique. At first glance, the camper embodies the minimalist elegance you'd expect from Swedish design. Clean lines, smooth contours, and a distinctively aerodynamic silhouette make it stand out from the crowd. Unlike the bulky RVs of the past, the Volvo Camper has a sleek profile that looks more like a futuristic SUV than a traditional motorhome. It's built on Volvo's new electric modular platform, offering a quiet, smooth, and emissions-free drive. Powering the camper is a dual-motor all-wheel drive electric system producing 500 horsepower. That might sound like a lot for a camper, but this powertrain ensures smooth handling even when fully loaded. With a range of up to 400 miles on a single charge, it easily covers long stretches of highway. Fast charging support allows it to regain 80% of its range in just 25 minutes, making rest stops quick and efficient. Volvo has also focused heavily on sustainability. The exterior uses a recycled aluminum alloy and bio-based composite panels that reduce environmental impact without compromising durability. Solar panels integrated into the roof can supplement battery power, especially for internal systems like lights, fans, and the water heater. There's also a regenerative braking system that captures energy every time you slow down. Stepping inside feels more like entering a modern tiny home than a camper van. The floor plan is compact but intelligently laid out to make the most of every square inch. The color palette is calm and natural, with light woods, woven fabrics, and soft lighting creating a warm and inviting space. Insulation has been significantly improved to handle both summer heat and winter chill, making the Volvo Camper a true four-season traveler. The kitchenette is surprisingly well equipped, featuring a dual induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, a filtered water system, and a compact but efficient refrigerator. Drawers slide out softly, and there's even a modular cutting board system that tucks away neatly. All appliances are powered through the main battery system or solar backup. The living area doubles as a workspace, with a fold-down desk and smart screen integrated into the wall. 5G connectivity ensures you're always online, whether you're working remotely, streaming entertainment, or using the Smart Travel Assistant. This assistant helps plan routes, find campsites, or suggest scenic spots to stop for a while. Sleeping arrangements are equally impressive. The queen-size bed folds down from a Murphy wall, using memory foam made from recycled materials. Above, a skylight offers views of the night sky and includes auto-tinting for privacy and temperature control. There's also an optional sleep pod that extends upward for families, providing a second sleeping area above the main cabin. One of the most surprising features is the compact but luxurious bathroom. It includes a dry flush toilet, a steam shower with built-in aroma diffusers, and a small sink with touchless controls. The water system is optimized for conservation, and the gray water is filtered and reused when possible. The camper's onboard systems are managed through Volvo's latest version of the VOS Volvo operating system. With voice control or touchscreen access, you can control everything from lighting and temperature to window shades and entertainment. You can even set modes like night, camp, or drive, which automatically adjust the camper's environment. Safety, of course, remains a Volvo hallmark. The 2026 camper is equipped with a 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, automated parking assistance, and an advanced driver monitoring system that detects fatigue or distraction. Volvo has also included their latest version of Pilot Assist, allowing semi-autonomous driving in highway conditions. Storage is smart and space-saving. There's a rear garage area large enough to hold 2 bicycles or a compact scooter. Hidden compartments under the floor and within the wall store tools, gear, and travel essentials without cluttering up the living area. But what truly sets this camper apart is its focus on experience. Volvo didn't just build a vehicle for sleeping and driving, they built one for living. Ambient lighting adjusts to the time of day. A built-in sound system offers directional audio zones. And with the panoramic windows, you're always connected to the outdoors, even when inside. For those who want more customization, Volvo offers packages focused on wellness, adventure, or family. The wellness package includes a fold-out yoga deck, air purification system, and guided meditation app. The Adventure Kit adds an all-terrain suspension upgrade, roof racks, and a drone pad for capturing stunning aerial views of your journey. Every detail, from the way the doors open to the materials chosen, has been crafted with purpose. It's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about enjoying every moment in between. The 2026 Volvo Camper isn't trying to be the biggest or flashiest camper on the market. It's simply trying to be the smartest, safest, and most sustainable. For travelers who value design, technology, and a deeper connection to the places they visit, this is a glimpse of the future. The open road has never felt so clean, so quiet, or so refined.